Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and receive everything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Wow. So should you have a contract or should you not? So in this video, I'm going to talk to you and walk you through, do you need to have an actual contract, or is it okay to kind of wing it and go into it with a 30-day notice on either part? Well, if you want to learn more, then one of the great things is in the masterclass, the free masterclass is going to be this Thursday. I really go into so much more when it comes in to the 3 things you need to pay attention to. And one of those is called, retention, customer retention. So when you're looking at having a contract, you may feel more secure because you're a lot more probably comfortable with knowing what you're going to get in, how much it's going to be on a regular basis. But remember, this person may be just filling you out. If you're just getting started, you may not have like references or anything that makes them feel comfortable. So they may want to invest slowly. And will this end in a contract a long term? It possibly could. Could it not? Absolutely. So is it worth the chance? I would say yes. If you're just getting started and you're trying to package and position your business, then absolutely you should go out when it comes to a 30-day net, like a net, if they are not happy with your business and they're looking at doing a net 30, letting you know we're no longer interested, either party can close or cancel the agreement, which is month to month, with a 30-day clause. That is great. Now, what you may want to do is say after 90 days, then I want to make sure that you understand that we do need a contract after 90 days because you've gotten a chance to try us on and see if we fit. So this may be a clause that you put in, but I would absolutely not turn it down, especially if I've just gotten started. Now, if you've been doing this for several years, 5, 6, 7 years, then you may feel like you're beyond the packaging and the positioning of your company. And you may feel that this isn't something that you're willing to do, and that is okay. Letting them know, unfortunately, we only do annual contracts, but what we can do is make sure that we have a clause in our contract that if either party feels that there is something that they need to address, you do like a cure, like a cure notice, which is a notice to cure whatever it is on either party. And then both individuals feel like they're putting something in, investing on both sides. But you may be on the part of the packaging and positioning if you've been in business for a while. So if you want to learn more about all of this information on how to attract, have them come running to you, how to actually get them to sign those contracts, and if you want to make sure that you're able to keep them, then sign up for my free masterclass where I go into what you need to do to build a 6-figure cleaning business from scratch. It goes into all of that and more. It's going to be live. All you need to do is click to register. Make sure you bring the energy. I'm an energy person. Bring a pen and paper and plenty of questions. And we update it on a regular basis because why? We're always getting new information. So if that sounds like it'd be great for you, then make sure you click to register. I'd love to see you there. It's going to be this Thursday. And until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.